In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Squarespace. A drop-down menu is a great way to organize your site's navigation so visitors can quickly find related pages without cluttering the top bar. Here's how to set it up clearly and confidently. Once you're in your site editor, start by opening the website section in the left-hand sidebar. This takes you to the core settings for how your site is structured and displayed. From there, head into Pages. This is where your navigation lives. You'll see areas like main navigation and possibly footer or not linked. Your dropdown will typically sit in main navigation, so it shows across your site header. Next, click the plus icon to add a new item to your navigation. Squarespace will show you a list of options for what you can create. Choose dropdown. Think of a dropdown as a folder that shows its contents when someone hovers or taps on it. It doesn't have its own page content. Instead, it neatly groups pages or links under a single label. Now, name the dropdown. Keep this label clear and short. Something like Services, Learn, or Shop helps visitors instantly understand what they'll find inside. Remember, this label becomes the clickable, top-level menu item in your header, so use a word or phrase that reflects the content beneath it. With the dropdown created, click Add Page inside that new dropdown. Squarespace will open a panel with options. From here, select the page you want to it. You can choose an existing page or pick a page type to create a new one that will live under the dropdown. As you add items, you'll see them appear nested inside the dropdown in your Pages panel. This mirrors how users will experience the menu on your site. A few quick tips as you go. Aim for a manageable number of items under each dropdown, so visitors aren't overwhelmed. Think quality over quantity. If you're unsure about the perfect order right now, no worries. You can always adjust names and arrangement later. Keep labels consistent in style and length so the menu feels polished. And after adding your pages, preview your site on desktop and mobile to make sure the drop-down feels easy to navigate in both layouts. That's it. Open website, go to Pages, add a new item, choose drop-down, give it a clear name, click Add Page, and select the page you want inside. Follow these steps and your navigation will be cleaner, more professional, and easier for visitors to use.